This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Jeep Cherokee in neutral. This is crucial for safe and proper towing, especially when using a flat tow setup. Incorrectly engaging neutral can lead to significant mechanical issues, so paying close attention to these steps is very important. We will guide you through the process, ensuring your vehicle is ready for transport without any worries. For four-wheel drive Jeep Cherokees, engaging transfer case neutral is the primary method for flat towing. First, start your engine and ensure the vehicle is in two-wheel drive high. Next, shift the transmission into neutral and firmly press the brake pedal. Now, move the transfer case lever to neutral. You should see a neutral indicator light illuminate on your dashboard, confirming the engagement. For two-wheel drive Jeep Cherokee models, or when moving the vehicle short distances, you might simply use transmission neutral. This involves placing the automatic transmission gear selector into the N or neutral position. While seemingly straightforward, it is absolutely vital to consult your specific owner's manual. Different models and years can have unique requirements, so always verify the correct procedure for your vehicle. Before concluding, remember these critical safety tips. Always consult your Jeep Cherokee's owner's manual. It contains the most accurate and model-specific instructions. Ensure the parking brake is engaged before you begin any shifting process. Finally, after you believe the vehicle is in neutral, gently try to push it to confirm it rolls freely. This verification step is crucial for safe towing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.